Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle a pretty puzzling problem. So, here's the scenario. You've just copied a massive folder of CSVs from Windows to Linux using SCP, but when you check the disk usage with DUSH, you notice that things aren't adding up. One specific CSV file is taking up way less space on Linux than expected, even though the checksums match with the Windows version. How can this be possible, right? Now let's dive into the solution. Files can actually be compressed at the file system level, whether you're on Linux or Windows. Common file systems like ZFS allow for transparent compression, which could explain why your CSV file appears smaller on your Linux system. This compression would have been done on the NFS server where the files are stored, not on your CentOS machine. Pretty neat, huh? In summary, the unexpected difference in disk usage for your CSV file could be due to transparent compression at the file system level, like with the ZFS file system. This would explain why the file size appears smaller on your Linux system compared to Windows. And with that, we've cracked the case. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Catch you in the next one.